Everyone, I am Dr. Shamsher Singh, working in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today, we are going to discuss about different principles given by Henry Fayol. Principle is a fundamental truth. A principle refers to a fundamental truth. It establishes cause and effect relationship between two or more variables under given situation. They serve as a guide to thought and actions. These principles are derived on the basis of observation and analysis by conducting experimental studies. Principle of management described by Henry Fayol. Division of labor. We divide the work on the basis of expertise. Party of authority and responsibility. One person must be a superior and there must be a subordinate of a superior. A superior provides the responsibility to the subordinate. Participate of one boss. Unity of direction. A superior direct the subordinate and give the assignment. Each and every person behave equally to each other. Order must be obeyed. An assignment must be in disciplined manner. Initiative, work, fair remuneration must be provided. Stability of tenure, scalar chain. Order must be go through in a chain. Sub-ordination of individual interest to general interest. SPD corps, centralization and decentralization. Division of labor expressed on the specialization of jobs. Work of all kinds must be divided and allotted to various persons. Simpler and results in efficiency. Helps the individual in acquiring speed, accuracy in his performance. Specialization leads to efficiency and economy in sphere of business. A subordinate should receive order and be accountable to only boss at a time. A subordinate should not receive instruction from more than the one person. Dual subordination should be avoided. The enterprise a disciplined, stable and orderly existence. Harmonious relationship between superior and subordinate. A subordinate should not receive instruction from more than one person. Unity of direction. One had one plan. Related activities should be grouped together. Efforts of all the members of the organization should be directed towards common goal. Without unity of direction, unity of action cannot be achieved. Unity of command is not possible without unity of direction. Order concerned with proper and systematic arrangement of things and people. Arrangement of things is called material order. Placement of people is called special order. Material order should be safe, appropriate and specific place for every article. Social order selection and appointment of most suitable person on the particular job.